The real reason people have allergies. You wake up, you breathe, and suddenly, your nose is running, your eyes are itching, and your throat feels like it's made of sandpaper. All because of pollen, or cat hair, or a peanut? It doesn't make sense. Why would your body go to war with something completely harmless? Why would your immune system, your body's defense force, mistake a peanut for a parasite? Here's the wild truth. Allergies aren't a flaw in your body. They're a glitch in your evolutionary software. And to understand why they exist at all, we need to go back thousands of years. What actually is an allergy? Let's start with the basics. An allergy is when your immune system overreacts to a harmless substance, called an allergen, like pollen, dust, or food proteins. Instead of ignoring it, your body thinks it's a threat. It releases histamines and other chemicals, triggering inflammation, mucus, coughing, sneezing, basically full-on DEFCON 1. But here's the thing. Pollen isn't a virus. Peanuts aren't parasites. Dust mites aren't trying to kill you. So why does your body act like they are? Here's where it gets interesting. One leading theory says that allergies are actually a misfiring of an ancient defense system. One that evolved to protect us from parasites, especially worms. Back when humans lived in nature, we were constantly exposed to intestinal parasites. These worms didn't cause dramatic symptoms like a virus. They were subtle, long-term invaders, and the immune system evolved a special type of response to fight them, the IgE pathway. This pathway causes swelling, mucus, sneezing, itching, the exact same things we see in modern allergies. But today, most of us don't get parasites anymore. So the immune system, like a bored guard dog, starts barking at the mailman, or the peanut. There's another theory that backs this up, the hygiene hypothesis. It suggests that modern cleanliness is messing with our immune systems. Children growing up in ultra-clean, sanitized environments aren't exposed to enough microbes. Their immune systems don't get properly trained. So later in life, they start attacking harmless stuff, because they were never taught what real threats look like. It's like training a soldier, but never telling them who the enemy is. But wait, why do peanuts and cats cause allergies specifically? Some allergens actually resemble proteins found in parasites. In other words, your body sees a peanut protein and says, "Hey, that kind of looks like a worm." Also, some things, like cat dander, contain enzymes that irritate your airways, making it more likely your body will overreact. It's not always logical. It's evolutionary guesswork. And sometimes, the guesses are wrong. For some, allergies are annoying, but for others, they're deadly. Anaphylaxis, a life-threatening allergic reaction, can shut down your airway in minutes. It's the ultimate overreaction. Your body tries so hard to protect you, it nearly kills you in the process. The good news? We're learning how to retrain the immune system. Through therapies like immunotherapy, researchers are exposing people to tiny amounts of allergens over time, teaching their immune system to chill out. Other scientists are exploring helminth therapy, deliberately introducing harmless parasites to restore immune balance. It sounds weird, but it just might work. Because to fix an ancient problem, we might need an ancient solution. Final thoughts. Allergies aren't a mistake. They're a miscalculation. An ancient system designed for a different world. Your body isn't broken. It's just playing by old rules in a new game. But now that we understand the game, we can start rewriting the rules. This is Minimind, and your biology just got smarter. Subscribe for more science, psychology, and evolutionary insights that rewire how you think, feel, and function.